Okay, the orientation of your videos is a question that comes up from time to time. Should I shoot in horizontal? Should I shoot in vertical? And we've also talked about shooting in square. And people have asked, okay, what does that mean? What does square mean? Or how do I get my video into square? And it's actually very simple. So I'm going to take you into a video in my camera roll. Let's just go with my recent live video here on Facebook. And here in the top right of the screen here, I'm going to hit the edit button, which is going to give me these options right here. And then down at the bottom there, you see there's a cancel, there's a little camera, there's this button here, which gives you some filter options or some lighting options. This is a filter option, and then this guy right here, which is the crop. That's what you want to hit. And then going up to, you notice at that point now it gives you, it allows you the ability to crop your picture, right? But let me tell you exactly what you can do here to make it even better. Go up to the top right, you see the three little dots, and then you also see the squares within the squares next to it. Click on that, which then opened up other options at the bottom here. So now you see we have original, we have freeform, we have square, which is exactly what we're talking about, and then you have these other dimension size videos. So if you ever need to adjust the size of your videos for a certain platform, which does happen. So for example, if you're ever posting a video to IGTV, or you're posting a video to IG and it doesn't fit correctly, or it got squeezed in, you might have to edit that video. So if you created it, let's just say TikTok, and it's not fitting on your IG screen, well, then you might have to go into your settings here. You might have to save it to your phone, go to this place and change the size of it so it fits perfectly on Instagram. You'll also find that IGTV is tricky like that. It has to be a certain size. So this is exactly how you create a square video in your iPhone. This is specific to iPhone in your iPhone camera. I hope this helps, and go out and create more videos.